Did you know that listening to certain frequencies can boost your immune system? Recent studies reveal that sound therapy, particularly at 528 Hz, can enhance cellular repair and reduce stress. This frequency, often called the love frequency, is believed to resonate with the heart, promoting healing and harmony. Researchers found that exposure to 528 Hz can increase the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a crucial role in immune function. By simply listening to music tuned to this frequency, you might improve your body's natural defenses. Discover the power of sound and transform your health journey today.